Triple reason life is still trying to that path, revealing no hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I did I saw that the world was made of this brotherhood of man for the world of men. And so I cry sometimes when I'm in my bed, just to get you right when I need my head at night, and I'm feeling a little bit young. And so I wake up in the morning and I sit outside and I take a breath out and I get real hard and I strip on top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, well, I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, I say, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, and I try all the time in the distant ocean, and I pray, oh my God, and I pray, a prayer for single day for a revolution. And so I cry sometimes when I leave my bed, just to get your love, and I need my head, and I am feeling a little bit too love. And so I wake in the morning and I sit outside and I see your head, and I get real high good night to the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, I say, hey,